It's quite tricky to manoeuvre these massive, fabulous tulips out the door. This is the most beautiful tulip in the Impression series, and they've just come out literally the last few days. It's been so hot, everything is just bursting into life. And so I was doing a film here only 10 days ago, and it was freezing and things were only really starting, but now the tulips are coming out and all the narcissus. It's just wonderful and optimistic. So that's Pink Impression, and it's an early one, and you can see it couldn't be more splendid. But this is another really early one, so we're in the first week of April, and this one's called Orca. And when I first saw it, I wasn't so sure, but I mean, it's just so cheerful that you can't not love it, and it flowers for ages, like a lot of the doubles. And then this beautiful dark one's called Anthracite in the same family. So they're all really lovely, cracking earlies, as well as lots of these Narcissus, mainly Tazetta varieties, because they have lovely scent. I adore this one called Zit, which is a horrible name, but it's a really delicate, beautiful and very fragrant Narcissus. And I really like this one too for a table centre pot, because it's sort of nodding and graceful. That one's called Lemon Drops. But without doubt, my favourite this year in the Dutch yard, because of the Amelanchias, is this variety called Katie Heath. And it's got that sort of slightly bronze colouring to the perianth, which is the trumpet in the front, which picks up on the bronze colouring of the Amelanchia. I love it.